Hey all, I'm back for just a really quick update. I get my steer tires changed here in Chandler, Arizona. As you were notified during the video I uploaded, but I'm having a problem with the compressor on the reefer unit. It's overheating. So I have to take it back into Phoenix tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock to the reefer place so they can check the compressor heads. Apparently this happens to reefer units periodically in the heat. And I really didn't start having trouble until I was at my receiver this morning. They kept shutting off. I would reset the alarm. It would run for 5 minutes and they would shut right back off and I'd get the error code again. So as far as my load goes, I haven't heard anything. I'm suspecting that I will be taking off this load that I was supposed to pick up today in Nogales, Arizona, and they'll find me something for tomorrow morning or tomorrow sometime after I get the reefer unit fixed. But yeah, it's a warm one. Definitely warm. The clouds have parted. The sun has come back out. And yeah, it's humid too. So that's what's going on. Just thought I'd give you guys a quick update. Have a nice day, everybody, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Adios.